Let's begin with a very interesting chapter about rocks and minerals. Now, when we are walking on the road, I start with a very simple base. We are moving on particles of rocks. Now, what are these rock particles made up of? These rock particles are made up of one or more minerals. So, what can be the minerals? These minerals could either be metallic, non-metallic in nature. For example, we have marble as a mineral, slate as a mineral here, agate as a mineral. Let's say if there is a structure which has part of marble, slate and agate together, it would give you a tinge which is whitish, blackish, silverish blue. And this would be the rocky structure that you would see when you are walking on the ground. Now, that means the rocks actually have more than one minerals, and since they have more than one minerals, there would be a different texture, a different color, a specific shape and a specific pattern which is seen within the rocky structure. Each of the mineral is unique. Minerals, as we would understand later in this class, could be metallic or non-metallic. Gold, silver are examples of metallic minerals. On the other hand, sodium is an example of non-metallic mineral. Let's talk about rocks as of now. How many types of rocks do you think are present? Now, you might say, I sometimes see a rock which looks very solid and shiny in nature. Sometimes you might see, I see a rock which is layered. So, how is the formation different? Rocks, by the method of formation, can be classified into three types. What are those three types? Igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Right? What is the difference? We'll talk about each of them one by one. Igneous is a rock which is formed because of the hot lava. Now, this hot lava or the hot liquid crust which is present within the earth cools and solidifies. It becomes solid. Now, when it is cooling and becoming solid, it could happen either within the earth's surface or outside. When there is a volcanic activity, the lava flows out, it can cool and solidify there. So, when it is within the rock structure or within the earth structure, it is called as intrusive. Granite is a good example. Outside, it is called as extrusive. Basalt is a good example. Coming on next is the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are the rocks which are made on the older rocks. So they are, by the broken older rock material, they deposit together, they form a new rock structure which is called as sedimentary rock. So a river is flowing. Now when the river flows, it carries away the sediment